Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a cup. Let's start. First draw it over like a curve actually, like this. Now down, draw another one. Now draw something like this. Now from the other corner, draw the same thing and connect it down there. Now down, draw a line like this. Next, draw something like this. Now in there, draw another line. Now we can hold the cup. And then from here, draw lines here. And now from here, draw a circle around it. Now in there, draw a curve like that. It's time to color. You can decorate the cup. I want to do this. Alright, I'm done. I have an idea. I want to put birds coming because the cup is outside. There's some vapor coming out. I'm not decorating actually, I'm backgrounding. Because I really want to keep the cup plain. I want to color the cup brown because we have our cups color brown. You can color whatever cups you have at your home. My brother's favorite cup is this cup we're coloring. This is part of the cup. And this too. But if you made this thing to be too small, it's okay. I'm going to color the cup what inside is hot water. Alright, I need my blue. That's violet. There. Now, a plate actually will be white. My dad is coloring red, but your can be red too. Your cans be. It's like my dad is done. I'll color the plate and I'll be done. Alright, I need to find the red. Do you want to find it with me? I found it. You could found it earlier. Oops. Now, let me color this base. I'll color it pink. I'm done.